Beautiful. All right, so we got the steering
steering rocks.
All right. It's been a rough day, man. So we got the steering rack back from the Asian.
His name's Min.
His name's Min.
He's really cool.
Yeah, he's super cool. And this thing looks sick. So check it out.
He polished it up too and everything. I didn't,
yeah.
Like, he didn't have to do that, but he did.
He completely polished everything. Everything's looking good. New tie rods.
Inner and outer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he tightened up the whole steering. I don't know.
He did something magical that's supposed to make it tighter off-road, and tight is right, so that's good.
Oh yeah, thing's looking good, and we're about to throw her in.
So I'm putting some new bushings in. Got a little...
Learning how to read?
Little diagram, yeah, I'm learning how to read. Okay, so I just pressed the new bushings in. Fresh bushing right here, and another one right here. This one was easy, that one hurt my finger. Now, I'm missing my box. I'll be right back. You know what you've been training me for, kid?
What? Oh yeah. Huge.
Hey, if I get thirsty though, at least I got some power steering fluid down here.
Yeah, all the kids eating Tide Pods.
Didn't even know, dude. Hey, are you recording?
I am.
Okay, kids. So, pretty much, we've got only 4 bolts that hold this entire rack in. Well, one of them's actually one that's like, it's like, I think it's welded in. It's through all the time. But, let me see that camera. So, here's what's going on. Steering rack, there's one that goes down the middle right there. I just screwed that in, this one right here. There is another one that goes through here. You just need to make sure that your rack and pinion, the whole steering column, are aligned properly when you are putting everything in. Sorry, my hand's really shaky. And then there's a C-clamp that goes on right here, top bolt right here. So it's just 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one. So yeah, just gotta get all those in and tighten them down, and then reconnect the tie rods to the knuckles.
What's the torque spec on that? 2 more roots than tight?
Yeah. What's up, guys? So just catching you up to where the truck's at right now. Got the steering rack back in, that's all good. We did the alignment, and then we noticed that when we drove it, it wasn't retaining alignment. So after some more inspection, I noticed that these lower control arm bushings were cracked in half. So after that, I contacted Brandon at BTF Fabrication. That's the guys who made my long travel kit, and he said that he would send me new bushings and also with a sleeve made out of a DOM tube that fits around the misalignment cam. I'm guessing it'll help disperse shock better or something like that. I ain't no engineer or anything like that, but I'll show you guys kind of how that works. So I already got one side out, and so the misalignment cam is obviously going through this tube right here. And that's gonna these are gonna be pressed back into the lower control arm. So I'm gonna be installing those. I'll show you guys how that goes next video. But anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, to follow the race truck. I'll see you guys in the next one.